Hello guys, Hector from Flomix Australia. Welcome back to the channel. Here we have our very first Softwash skid. This particular one is requested by a customer his business is dedicated for the window cleaning, and he wants to add some soft washing services to the books, and he contacted us, and he asked us for specific dimensions on the skid, which makes a lot of sense for future customers to keep the same design. So this skid is a batching system skid. So we were discussing if we put it in manifold or why not, and we end up according with the space available, and so better off to go for batching. And his request is just for do some house washing and post some pre-treatments and things like that. Nothing to do in the roofs at the moment, but nevertheless this system can be upgraded in the future. It's been designed for growing with the business. Okay, so basically dimensions is 850 by 1100 by 1100 tall. His van is a low profile. If it's a high profile, we can stack up a second grill in there, but it's limited access to the van, so we make everything according with the space. So as you all know, it's got one of our Softwash pumps with the electric start. Here is the headboard of the van, and here is the shelving that is going to the back. So this is the only access. That's why we decide to install a remote start stop, and a start and a stop. It's got an hour meters and as well RPMs detection in here. This is for changing from rinsing to chemical, and this is basically to start the system. So coming back to the pump, as you all know, this is our Softwash pump designed for the Softwash industry. It's a 300 psi 42 liters per minute pump. Really good access here to adjust your pressure in case that you don't need that much of the pressure. Depends on your needs. An extra port in there, and it's got a CH270 Kohler engine, 3 years warranty, factory warranty. Pump has got a 1 year warranty. In any case, we got parts in Australia in case that something goes wrong with your equipment to get it fixed as soon as possible. But as I say in previous videos, this pump is so powerful and so reliable that you shouldn't be worried. And I hope years to come, if you set up the system properly and you take care of the system, obviously. So now that we are in the front, I just wanted to give you a small demonstration of a remote system. This is our remote system with feedback. So every time we have the beep that it tells us that it's been activated, and we can turn off, and now we are selecting the water tank for rinsing. Okay, Manta reel. This particular client, he wants to make the extra effort, and he ordered one of the electric ones, 85 meters of 5/8 hose from Rampage. We set up one of our guns with a custom-made gear rod, and then we go into the side here, and this is the feed line. So this is our float valve system with the actuator in there. Here is gonna hook up in 20 meters 3/4 of the inch hose to fill up the tanks, and then after that we've got our 3-way valve to select which of the 2 tanks we wanted to fill to make the batching in this one with the sealed lid, so if you want to spill anything. And this is our water tank. So when we do our batching, we can select to fill up the tank with water. Once we mix all our chemicals, we switch to the water tank, which has got a level sensor, and it senses when it's full, and it opens and closes this valve as it's full and empty. Okay. Coming around here, we got our 3-way valves to select suction and return to the tanks, Okay, and these are the discharge ports. They're gonna be running the hoses on the side of the van with a couple of valves, so it can pick up chemical or water as it likes to. Or even it can connect the pressure washer to the water tank if it needs to. Okay, so basically these valves, they work together and they select which tank it picks up and returns as we select with our remote control. This is all the electricals, they are concentrated in there. So nice and neat in this area with the antenna of the remote system. Okay, so we are making these units in two sizes. This, as I said, is 850 by 500 by 650 tall, just the alloy skid. And we are making another one which is gonna sit in with a manifold in there and a bypass system, which is coming really soon in the channel. So please stay tuned for these updates, okay? And yeah, I'm gonna show you how the three-way valves works to changing from rings to chemical. Really simple and very powerful unit, and this thing will get you through jobs really quick and really professionally. Okay, just stay tuned for videos that are coming really soon with new items. They are coming to the shop, and if you are interested in something like this, give me a call. We can custom made as you like to, or we can do the standard skids for you with different types of pumps that we will be available in the shop really soon. All right, please subscribe to the channel, thumbs up, and see you in the next one.